Hello everyone, this is the project I have prepared for this Christmas using the Nutcracker collection. I'm going to decorate these crafty shapes with this collection. On the largest one, I will apply a layer of primer using a sponge. Then I will let dry. I will also be using these beautiful molds from the collection, which many nutcrackers of different sizes. Honestly, they are amazing. I'm going to use this larger one. And to be able to paint it, I will also apply a layer of primer. I'm going to cover these other shapes with the papers from the collection, using craft glue. And to give them a vintage look, I will ink the edges using the coffee ink. Now I'm going to use a volume paste with this stencil to decorate the first heart with the poinsettia flower. With the Glamour Paste Gold, I will decorate the other heart using the same stencil, but with the letters. Look how beautiful. With a bit of crackle paste white, I will add texture to the first heart and I will let it dry for a better result. In the meantime, I'm going to use some colors, some allegro colors to paint the resin figure. Remember that I first applied a layer of primer and I will simply paint each part with the corresponding color, and with a wipe I will emphasize light heights and shadows. The aquacolor will help me add this vintage look, as will a white patina over the nutcracker. Now I'm going to paint the heart. Look, it's already cracked. And I'm going to use a layer of water to watercolor the paints. You can use whichever colors you like best. I choose this because they match perfectly with the colors of the collection. The idea is to apply small brush strokes of paint and add water to achieve a watercolor effect. Then we'll dry with a head gun. Again, I will add some aquacolor to add this vintage effect. And to finish, I will do the composition, gluing one pieces with others to achieve the composition you like more. I'm going to add just some filling with a little bit of fabric. And a little bit of splashes with white paint. And that's it. I hope you like, and thank you very much for watching. Bye.